this is a patient that we did a sphenoganglion block last week, and she's back for a follow-up. So we're trying to ask her some questions as far as how she felt when she left the office. So let me ask you this. When we did the Sphenopalatine ganglion block for your headache, how did you feel the same day?
Bueno, señor Carter, lo que dice el doctor es, después de que el doctor le hizo el procedimiento del bloque esfenopalatina en la nariz, ¿qué sintió con los dolores de cabeza después de eso?
Bueno, sentí mucha mejoría. En ese mismo momento se me quitó el dolor y ya no he tenido dolor de cabeza.
Okay, so she's stating that immediately there was no more headaches, there was no more pain, so she felt better.
Okay, so the good news is that she felt better right there on the same day. And then how is she feeling today, a week later?
¿Cómo se siente una semana después, o sea, hoy?
Mucho mejor porque ya no he sentido dolor.
Okay, she feels a lot better because she has no more pain at all.
All right. Well, this is good news. So you're gonna be just like that. You came in with pain, and now you're pain relieved. You're happier after a week of the procedure that we did. So this is a good result, and I can help anybody that has any questions. Please feel free to contact us. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you.